Radhe. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the maximum good subarray sum problem which occurred in today's LEETCODE challenge. So if any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. So basically, in this problem, it is given that you're given an array and you have to find a subarray such that the absolute difference between the first and the last element is equal to k, and you have to find such an array which is giving the maximum subarray sum. Okay, so and you have to find the maximum sum of that subarray. So basically that is how it works. So for this case, 5 comma 6 is like having a difference between the first and last element as 1, and 5 plus 6 is 11, which is the maximum for this case. And for this case, for a difference of 3, so you can see that 5 plus 4 plus 2, that is 11, and this subarray, if we consider 5 minus 2 is 3, so this is 11. And for this case, if we consider 3 and 1, so this is going to give you a subarray difference of the absolute difference of minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, and absolute is going to make it 2, and the sum of this thing is minus 6. We could have even got this, but for this it would be minus 4 minus 3 minus 2, like 4 5 7 8 9 minus 9, but minus 6 is greater than minus 9, so we are going to consider minus 6. Okay, for 5 6 also, like 4 5 was a valid, 1 3 4 was a valid. So this is basically the question. Okay, the thing. Now how we are going to do this? Use a map. Okay, a map which is going to find the subarray, sorry, the prefix sum. Okay, the prefix sum. So what we're going to do is the sum of all the elements before that element. Okay, so how we can do this? Let's say we have sum is equal to, so let me define the result as minus infinity, and then let me define the sum as 0. Then you run a loop from 0 to n minus 1, and you make the map. Okay, you make a map and make map of AR of I is equal to sum. Okay, but remember one thing, we can't directly write this. That is, if map of AR of I is present, okay, that is like if map dot contains AR of I, whatever that is in your language, Java, CPP, whatever you're using. So if it is present, then if it is not present, okay, not present, directly map of AR of I is equal to sum, and if it is present, then map of AR of I is equal to maximum of sum comma map of AR of I. Okay, so basically map of AR of I is equal to maximum of map of AR of I comma sum. So whatever is the now sum or whichever was the previous one. Okay, and after you're done with this, now check, like since it is an absolute difference of k, so basically AR of I minus k and AR of I plus k are the elements that you have to check for, okay, in the map. So basically the present sum minus this and the sum minus this, okay, there are two values. Okay, there are two values, so whichever is going to give you a maximum thing, you're going to make that as, let's say, answer, and result is equal to maximum of result comma answer. So basically answer is maximum of this comma this, and result is equal to maximum of result comma answer. What we are going to do is basically we are finding every element and checking its prefix sum. Now let's say there is an element x over here and x over here. Sorry, let's say there is x, y, z, x, a, b, c, d, right? For this x, and there is like e, f. Okay, for this x the prefix sum is f plus e. For this x the prefix sum is f plus e plus x plus y plus z. Now if this is greater than this, then store this, and if this is greater than this, then store this. So that is basically this condition. Sorry, that is basically this condition. Okay, and once you're done with this, find air of I minus k of map, and sum minus, that is the thing, that is the prefix of this. So if we want to find the sum of this subarray, so it is basically the prefix of this minus the prefix of this. Okay, so that is how it works. That's it from my side. Thank you.